Our king is dead.
Fiona sobs. Then, King Harold wakes up.
Put your hat back on, fool.
Shrek, please come hither.
Shrek leans in.
Yeah, Dad?
This kingdom